Alright, before we head down, let me show you where we are. This is Dinagsaan Peak, located in Banaybanay, Davao Oriental. If you look at the map here, to the north, you'll find the town of Banaybanay proper. To the south, it stretches towards the vast landscapes leading to Davao de Oro. East of us is the coast facing Davao Gulf, and to the west are the rolling foothills and farmlands. Compared to Mount Apo, the highest mountain in the Philippines, Dinagsaan Peak is much more beginner friendly. In fact, it's perfect for beginners as long as you're physically fit enough to climb. Its difficulty rating is around 3 out of 9, so it's challenging enough to get your heart pumping but still very manageable. In the last part of my previous video, we made it to the summit and enjoyed the stunning views. But now, it's time to go down and the adventure continues. As we started our descent from Dinagsaan Peak heading toward jump off at the tribal hall, there was a part where we need to use a rope because of a rocky cliff section. So careful steps were needed, but it was really fun. A short while later, we reached this huge stone, a popular spot for taking pictures. Of course, we didn't miss the chance for some snapshots. From there, we continued the trek back down. The trail was quite rocky, so extra caution was really important. Kaniting nagiyan ni ganiya. Sa kanya. Aray! Then we came across a beautiful stream with clear, cold waters. According to our tour guide, he shared that this stream is actually one of the natural water sources in the area. We took a short rest here, enjoying the peaceful sound of the water. By the way, at this point, we were just halfway down. And just as we continued, it started to rain. Not too heavy, but enough to make the pot slippery. Sadly, I wasn't able to take much video here because, well, safety first. Finally, we reached the last part of the trail. It's right beside the highway of Puntalinao, Banaybanay. We were tired, muddy, but super happy. Another awesome, unforgettable experience.
Congrats, Peng. Peng! Yeah, congrats ba?
Mao na gingon, pagpadulong murag si kinsa, pagpauli, murag na unsa. Thank you for watching my vlog. Please like and subscribe.